What's up, guys? Check out this uh, timer, I would say, made by Baseus. I mean, it is made by Baseus, but many companies are making very similar to these, so it's not really their own property. You will find many with very similar specs. And the purpose of these kind of timers is for example, yoga and mainly for kitchen. When you are doing cooking in your kitchen, you need to uh, pull something out, stop the heating or decrease the heating after a certain amount. So you can set a timer for that exact moment, and after that it will start beeping. And the reason for buying these kind of timers are because they are very easy to operate. You can set them with a mobile phone as well, but these are very easy to operate. When you just, all you have to do is just rotate them and press this button and it will start uh, counting down, and that's it. And this one has a kickstand as well and a magnet as well. So for example, if you're doing yoga, you can put it like this, see, like this. Okay, if you are in a kitchen, you can attach it magnetically to your hood. See, so on all these four corners, I think there are magnets, see, and once you attach them, they attach very strongly to the hood. See, there is a magnet here as well, here, all these four sides. Okay, you see, so we have the magnet to attach it like this, then we have the kickstand to do it like this. And if we look at the back, we have three AAA batteries right here, and then we have some controls. This is for increasing or decreasing volume. If you do it, move it, this, now you have this low, mute, center, intermediate volume, full volume. On this side we have the brightness control, eco and full brightness. This is eco, where brightness is low and it very quickly turns itself off the screen. And in the eco mode and in this brightness mode, it keeps it a little bit more in the brightness mode before going to sleep. I usually keep it in this way because it is still very power efficient. It quickly turns the screen off and only beeps when it is needed, and goes into deep sleep if you're not used for 2 to 3 minutes. So not really have to worry about the battery itself. Let me install the AAA batteries, and let's see. Okay, shut it down, and it's ready. This is the timer, this is its button. Let me try to rotate it. If I rotate it very gently, then it changes the second by 5 interval of 5 seconds. See, 45, 50 seconds. And if I do it fast, it will start changing the minutes, and it goes to 99 minutes and 55 seconds. So this is the maximum time that you can set with it. Here it goes 90. Let me do it gently, and this is the maximum. If you do, I think it will go 00, right? That's how it is. Now let me try to set a timer for you, and see, if I don't do anything, it go into low brightness and then it turns itself off to prevent battery loss. It will still start working if you have the timer on. The screen will just go down. So let me set a timer of 15 seconds. Let's do it for just 5 seconds. Let's go. All you have to do is just press this button, and that's it. Right, so whether you are doing yoga or there is a study session, especially for kitchen for which it is made, you can use it. Just press it single and it's done. And if you have a timer like live and you want to quickly reset it to 00, keep pressing it long, like don't let it go, and there you are. This is the timer. And again, to start it, just press it once, rotate it, press it. I mean, it's the thing I like about this one is its usability is really good. Let me reset it first. Okay, like this whole area is a dial. See, or it's very easy to rotate it. So that if you are using it for anything, it's not a bother for you to change the timer, set the timer, instead of picking up a mobile, unlocking it, asking your assistant or your clock, and going into the clock and setting, which are multiple steps. Here it's a very usable, user friendly mode. Just rotate it. Fast for minutes, very gentle for seconds. Let's do it. Gentle, gentle, gentle. See, for seconds. So I really liked it. We actually have it installed in our kitchen. As you can see, it is already in use. It's not a new one. I actually lost this cover somewhere, so we actually use it in our kitchen, and we have it. We have been using it for almost 2 years now, and I thought wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think of it. I will leave the link in the video description in case anyone is interested. Take care. Bye.